You're watching Goeiemorgen, Good Morning. We're joined now by the founder of Bright Beginnings Preschool in Johannesburg North, Danielle Tannis. She's passionate about early childhood development and works closely with parents to ensure that children are truly ready for grade 1. Today, she'll be sharing what children need to know and be able to do before entering big school. Danielle, warm welcome to Goeiemorgen, Good Morning. Thanks for making time for us today.
Oh, thank you for having me. Thank you so much.
Danielle, what are some of the vital things that a child needs to be able to do when they enter grade 1?
So, usually there's a long list that parents create in their minds with, can they do certain numeracy, can they do literacy? But I think the most important thing for grade 1, a little one going to grade 1, is a I can do attitude, going in and feeling confident, emotionally ready to sit there and, take on the day with a little bit more of a formal setting.
Why is grade 1 readiness specifically such an important milestone in a child's development?
I think because it's formal schooling. So you go from, most preschools are very play-based, which is excellent. I mean, that's the philosophy that I follow. But formal schooling, and my son's actually he's in grade 1 now, and just that transition from preschool to primary school is their schedules. If you look at their schedules in preschool, look at that and go times 10, because there's just so many different things you've got to consider. So many different sports that they do. They get thrown into the deep end. But like I say, if your child's emotionally ready, if they're confident, all of that will come quite easily to them because they adapt easily, Yeah,
and that adaptability also links with my next question, which is, what are some of the key skills, both academic and developmental, that children ideally should have mastered before going to grade 1?
So ideally, you, as much as I focus on the emotional development, I generally do group it into 3 different aspects, being physical, cognitive, emotional. Physical is obviously fine motor skills, gross motor skills, being able to write their name, not perfectly, but confidently. And then when I say cognitively, it's basic number sense, recognizing letters. But for me, the most important aspect is emotional. Being able to separate from their parents in the morning, ask for help, walk to class on their own. It's that confidence and that emotional development that is so important.
Yeah, I think we don't realize.
I like to say a child who is emotionally ready will catch up academically.
Yeah, that's absolutely so well put. And I think we don't realize what a big jump this is. If you're 6 or you're 7 years old, all you've known is your preschool and your nursery school. And now all of a sudden you have to sit in a class, you have to listen, you've got to do the sports, as you mentioned. It's very, very tough for them.
Yeah, no, it's going into big school, they're the babies again, whereas when they're ending preschool, they're the big kids. And now they go in, they wear their little school uniform. In most schools, they wear uniforms. And they're the little ones, they generally get grouped with a grade 7 buddy. And there's a huge difference. They really do need that confidence and that emotional maturity to be able to step into, what they would call like their big world,
Yeah. How does play in routine actually build that confidence for them going forward with this big year that they have ahead of them?
So play, I think, is so important. For me, it's children practicing daily life, if that makes sense. And routine makes them feel safe. If your child knows they're going to be waking up, getting dressed, having breakfast, and it follows the same kind of routine, then they know what to expect, which automatically boosts their confidence, because they feel safe. And like I say, play is so important because it's like, practicing everyday life, which is what we're trying to prepare them for.
Oh, I love that comparison. Absolutely. In your experience, what is one piece of advice that will help parents ready themselves and their children for this big step forward?
So I'd say readiness is not about pushing children ahead. It's more about letting them arrive well. So to make sense of that is if you focus on confidence and independence, the academics will follow, like I said earlier. Make sure emotionally they are mature and that you've done everything you can to assist them in that side of their development, and academics will follow.
Thank you so much for joining us, Danielle. I love all of your insights and everything that you've shared with us. It's been a pleasure having you on Goeiemorgen, good morning.
Oh, thank you for
Bly
having
net
me.
waar jy is, want net hierna gaan ons self weer bietjie terug skool toe.
Nou dat ons weet wat nodig is om vir graad 1 gereed te wees, moet ons ook kyk of ons die klaskamer nog sou kon aandurf. Kom ek julle net gou 'n oomblik om daaroor te dink.
Ja,
Sien julle kans?
Ek doen, maar ek moet net sê, ek was 27 jaar terug in matriek. So graad 1 is vir my nogal baie ver terug om te dink. Okay. But you know what, I'm always up for anything, so let's go.
Ek is baie senuweeagtig, maar goed. So ek dink hoe dit gaan werk, net om vanaf julle te verduidelik, is daar gaan 'n vraag op skerm verskyn.
Ja.
Dan moet ons hand opsteek, ons hand in die lug steek.
Ja.
En dan gaan die regisseur besluit wie was eerste. Dis al hoe ons gaan weet wie gaan wen, maar ek dink dit gaan een van julle twee wees. Okay.
Goed. Die skerm dop.
Okay, kom ons hou
Ons hou die skerm dop, hier, kom hy. Wiskunde.
13 maal 6 is 26, 52,
42.
nee, 69. Yes. 9, nee?
Nee,
78. Ek het gewen. Julle net 'n kansie gegee, dames.
Net in gaan wat
nee, hulle doen nie. Dit is daai was bietjie bo graad eentjie se vuurmaakplek.
Goed, volgende een.
Volgende een.
Hy dra
sy,
O my.
obviously.
Ek gaan solank die tweede een sê, "Haai julle."
Hy
Daar
dra
verdwyn
sy-
die vraag.
Ja,
Hy dra sy
hy dra sy
moed in sy sak.
beursie in sy sak en sy liefde in sy hart.
Met 'n liefde in sy hart.
Ja.
Dis Pieter, ons verwys na Pieter. Nee, ek het gedog daai is hart op sy mou. Skus.
Hy dra sy twak in sy sak.
Nee, Pieter, nee.
Nou wat nou?
Nee.
Okay. Help ons dan nou maar uit.
Kom ons ons gee op.
Hy's sommer twak in sy sak.
Wat?
Drome en sy moed.
My moed was op die verkeerde plek, maar ek sou nie drome nie. Wat?
Daai is nie 'n bekende een nie. Ek is baie jammer.
Baie
maar
dankie aan
ek-
ons
is dit
regisseur.
AI?
Baie
Ek
dankie.
dink so. ChatGPT.
Nog een. Let's redeem ourselves.
Kom ons kyk.
How many of these do we have?
1
1 + 1 is 2.
Photosynthese.
Okay.
Photosynthesis is the process of plants turning carbon dioxide into oxygen.
Daar sê.
Thank you.
Ja, antwoord is blykbaar
Baie
korrek.
mooi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kyk daar gebruik om kos te maak.
Duidelik al 'n taakie of twee gedoen. Adrekskunde. Noem een klimaatstreek.
The lower escarpment.
Die ewenaar. Ja, Noord-Kaap, Suid-Kaap. Natal.
Kimberley.
Klimaatstreek. Koue en warm klimaatstreke.
Dis
Nee.
soos
Uppington.
Somerreënvalstreek,
Ja.
winterreënvalstreek. Ek weet nie of dit is nie, maar die
Kom ons sien.
Weskaap is 'n
Okay.
Wat is die antwoord?
'n klimaatstreek sal ek sou sê is ietsie soos
Tropiese.
Pilar Mediterraneens.
Are you not embarrassed?
Julle en ek
we
het
are.
aardrykskunde gehad op
Ek
skool.
het dan gesê
Maar hierdie is nie graad 1 vrae nie.
Kimberley is 'n klimaatstreek. En Appington is baie warm daar in Appington.
Is daar nog een?
Aardrykskunde
Kom,
graad.
ons kyk
Just
net
one
wat
more.
nog so
Can we
een
have one
of twee.
more?
English. What's
What is
the
the plural of the
plural?
word?
Mice.
Mouses.
Mice. Ek het enetjie.
Isn't it mouses? If you're talking about a computer mouse,
Ja.
I have 3 mouses.
Ja.
Julle raak
so.
nou
There's
tegnies.
7 mice in my house.
Is it steeds mice?
Huh? I've got 3
kyk uit.
computer mice. Dit klink nie lekker.
Net vir konteks, ons kommunikeer met ons regisseur hier ons
ja.
hoor.
Ek wil net sê as ek sê I've got 3 computer mice doesn't sound nice.
Ons het
Oh.
gelyk op geëindig. Ek
Ons
wag,
het.
ekskuus, hou net vir my aan. Ja.
Ja, jy sien
Is
die
dit pas
stories.
ingelig?
Ek het gewen, ek het die
Telling is
wiskunde
gelyk.
gewen.
Ek wil net vra, is daai resultate geverifieer deur een of ander auditfirma? Want dit klink vir my nou 'n gekillery hier.
'n Gekillery, oulike
Ons weet
woordjie.
definitief nou
Kille
Luister
hier,
maar,
kille daar.
maar
wie die
ek sou
slimste.
graag 'n bietjie met julle wou gesels het oor daai eerste dag in graad 1. Onthou julle nog julle juffrou se naam? Juffrou Linda Kotse? Ken jy onthou?
Elsa,
Marita
my graad
Fourie.
1 jaar was 39 jaar terug. Toe sê ek 5.
Ek wil nie eers
Ai,
sê
my
waar is
Rosie.
ek.
Wel,
Nou.
geluk julle. Geluk. Julle is slim
Dankie,
kinders,
ek is die
slim koppe.
slimste.
Bly ingeskakel.
Cheers!
Ons is nou weer terug.